Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be working in Canva, um, trying to make a bookmark. So I'm not very good at using Canva. I've watched a lot of tutorials, so this is going to be my first design that I've created in Canva. So I'm going to do I think that the standard size bookmark is 2 by 6. So I'm going to do 2 by 6.2. Just to give me just a little leeway, in the design space. So if I do need to, I make a mistake, I'll be able to, cut it off or something. Um, so I'm just going to upload an image that I have on my computer um, to the template. So I'm just going to, upload something that I have on here just to get started. Like I said, I'm not a professional at this. I'm just going by off of what I've seen other people do. So I'm going to, drag the image out to fill the space on the page. And I'm just going to, I think, upscale the image. So I'm looking for the image upscaler so that I can enhance it so it can, be good quality when I do print it out. So I guess you just, upscale it to as much as you can upscale it to the highest percentage you could do. So I do have Canva Pro, so you will need Canva Pro in order to, to use the image upscaler. Like I said, this is my first bookmark, so we gonna see how this turn out. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a professional at this. I'm just going by some tutorials that I've watched, and also by a creator that I follow here on YouTube, Smith Signatures. She's really good. I think you guys should really check her out and follow her. She does a really good job at creating these bookmarks and stationery items. And also she has a course that you can purchase too, that teaches you how to do this as well. But I'm just going to be playing around down here, trying to figure out how I want this image to look on the bookmark. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just doing what I've seen other people do. But y'all just follow along, see how this goes for me. You can watch this, maybe you can get some ideas, or if you see any mistakes that I've made, please, put a comment down below, um, to give me, help me out a little bit, because, like I said, I'm just trying to get started here, and I don't want to keep um, putting things off because I'm afraid that no one's going to look at this, or that it's not going to come out the way I want it to. So I'm just going to show you guys the process, my process of what I'm doing, and hopefully it'll come out the way I want it to come out, hopefully. But like I said, I'm just playing around on this right now. So I'm not going to talk too much, but I'm just going to let you guys watch my process. So if you have any questions, any suggestions, like I said, just put it down in the comment section below, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.